In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the abandoned cart email on Woocommerce. As you can see, this is my website and I have the Woocommerce plugin installed. Now I'm going to show you how to set up emails for the abandoned cart on your website. So the first step is go to your plugins because you want to install a new plugin, and this is completely free. You don't have to pay anything. So you want to search for plugins and type in Woocommerce abandoned. This is enough, I think. And then it will come up. And then you can install this one. Abandoned cart lite for Woocommerce. And now it's installed. You can hit activate. And now you have to find it. Here it is. So you can go to Woocommerce and here it says abandoned carts. And as you can see, now it's set up. And now you can create email. As you can see, we need to update email template base. So you want to hit update, and now it will take you over to the emails. And here are the abandoned orders. You can see that there are none. Go to settings right now, then go to emails, just like this. As you can see here, you can here you can set up all the emails. So new order, processing order, completed order, refunded, basically everything. And this is what you can do here. And you have to hit allow as well for the abandoned cart. That's very important because then the customer can get the emails to the abandoned cart emails that they have still stuff in their cart. So now go back to abandoned carts, and here you can see the email templates. And here you can add a new template for the abandoned carts. So you can basically do that here, like hello, you have some stuff in your cart subject. And that's basically it. This is everything you have to know. It costs no money and it's absolutely free. If this helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.